Hello and welcome to another sunny day in Florida. I took my usual walk to the pond just in time to see the sun setting and also hear my neighbors having a party on the back side of the pond. The sandhill cranes didn't seem to mind too much, but there weren't any ducks around for the evening. That's the thing about taking a walk down here. It is in a suburban area. Some days there's a lawnmower going on or this party. But thanks for joining me. I'm glad I can share it with you, and I hope all of you are staying well and healthy.